Hey, welcome back to the channel. Introducing today the all new unit right here. Well, it's not really a brand new unit. It's a slightly pre-owned unit. So this is a 2016 Raptor, Yamaha Raptor Type R. You guys saw the last video. If you didn't, go check it out after this, but we were up snowmobiling and I don't know, just brought back some memories. If you guys are super early birds, or early subscribers, I actually had a Sportsman 850, so not quite as agile and crazy as this, but I don't know, wanted to branch back off into the ATV world, you know, bring some new stuff to the channel, bring some different stuff to the channel, and yeah, so here we go. So, and you guys are gonna laugh. So I have never driven a manual four-wheeler. I mean, I you know, somewhat familiar with it, you know, I guess it's kind of like a car, right? But never have driven a manual four-wheeler. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting, guys. So I want you guys to come along for the journey and enjoy, because this thing's gonna be getting it's gonna be getting a theme change. You guys know how I do. You know how we do. We change colors, we name stuff. So I already got a name brewing that this thing is going to turn into. But the blue and white, I mean, I know that's typical Yamaha color, right? But I don't know if we can keep that. It's just not, no, it's not doing it. But I mean, if you guys look at this, I mean, this is a clean unit, guys. Clean, fresh unit. Look at that. I mean, I don't think this person got it off Facebook Marketplace. I don't think this person rarely ever really took it out. I mean, all the crannies and stuff. I mean, these things, it looks like something here, whatever that is. But, you know, we'll probably replace these. It got some really cool, like LED ones, you know, because I know these halogen ones are probably pretty terrible on the trails and stuff. So, yeah. So, but tires are, you know, they're not terrible, but their fronts are fairly worn. Looks like they drove it on the pavement quite a bit. I know these things are like wheelie monsters, as they say, right? So a lot of power. Like I said, it's a 700R, biggest one you can get. And I got like a 660, the old ones, and I got like 250s or something. If I'm not, hopefully I'm right on that. But like I said, overall super clean, guys. Look at that. So I already got some new fresh tires. So I got some Maxxis Razor 2s. A lot of people had some good reviews on those. So, I mean, these really aren't bad at all. I mean, I'm sure I'll save them, but these are only 20-inch. I actually end up going to a 22 in the rear and 23 in the front. So that's going to be interesting because, you know, it's just a little better trail setup. You know, I know these aren't really beastly trail machines like that, but that's what it's going to be mainly for, you know, do a little trail unit. So yeah, I'm excited, guys. Follow along if you guys are interested in seeing the content. Go ahead and subscribe, as you know what to do. But like I said, we are super geeked. Change up the content. I got some buddies. Shout out to Air on the Move. Got my buddy. We're gonna be probably taking this thing out, you know, here soon. It's getting warm out. Take it out, give her a little rip and everything. You guys know how I'm play around. I don't know if you remember my X3 when I first got that 2 years ago. It's been 2 years, guys, almost, for the Can-Am X3. But when I got that thing didn't take long to change colors and everything. So yeah, really, really awesome. So yeah, we are definitely going to be having some fun. We're gonna be having some fun with this thing. I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. So like I said, bringing some new content, new type of content. You guys know what we do. We do some mountain biking, we do some other stuff. But venture all terrain, it's a kind of very broad name and everything. So bringing different type of content, different people. Everyone's not gonna like everything we do, right? You know, you may not care about some of this stuff, but if you do find interest in any of this stuff, please do subscribe and turn your notification bell on. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. Can't wait for this thing. I got some new plastics coming. Like I said, this thing's about to get a whole new theme. I am so geeked for it. New, probably some wheels here. I mean, you guys won't even, it won't even look the same here soon. So yeah, and typically I like to do that before it gets all caked up and messed up. All right, so let's follow us along. Once again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button again. And thanks for watching, guys. We will see you. Remember, guys, your next venture is only one step away. We will see you next time, guys.